Welcome to Listen Up, the podcast where we dive into the world of English listening practice. I'm your host, Karen, and we explore new topics every day to help you sharpen your English skills. Whether you're looking to polish your fluency or intermediate and want to learn new vocabulary, this podcast is your gateway to understanding and speaking English with confidence. We cover a wide range of subjects to keep you engaged and entertained while learning. My episodes are designed to provide practical knowledge that you can apply in real-life conversations. And I also offer personalized lessons tailored to your unique learning style and goals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your English listening skills. Visit onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for personalized lessons. Let's jump right in. Today's episode is called Street Food Magic in Your Kitchen. Are you missing the vibrant chaos of street markets, the sizzle of griddles, and the tantalizing aromas that beckon you from every corner? Fear not, fellow food adventurers. We're about to unlock the secret to recreating street food magic right in your cozy kitchen. Remember that time you stood under flickering neon signs, juggling a paper plate loaded with crispy bites? Recreating street food at home is like summoning those memories, a taste of nostalgia that transcends borders. Street food is the ultimate passport. With each bite, you're transported to bustling alleys in Tokyo, vibrant markets in Delhi, or beachside stalls in Mexico. Why settle for one destination when you can explore them all through your taste buds? Want extra chili, less coriander, or cilantro? No problem. When you create street food, you're the boss. Customize flavors, tweak spice levels, and experiment fearlessly. It's your canvas. Flavor it as you please. Imagine hosting a street food soiré. Picture your friends' eyes widening as they bite into homemade takoyaki or churros. Suddenly, you're the culinary rock star who can whip up global delights without leaving the kitchen. Not only can it be impressive, but kneading dough, flipping fried treats, and drizzling chocolate sauce can be therapeutic. The rhythmic motions soothe your soul, and the end result? Pure joy served on a plate. So tie on your apron, crank up the music, and let's recreate street food wonders, from samosas to churros. We've got your taste buds covered. Ready? Let's eat our way around the world. Samosas. Origins in India. Ingredients: 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 medium potatoes, boiled and mashed, 1 cup of peas, 1 onion finely chopped, spices such as cumin seeds, masala, turmeric, and chili powder, and oil for frying. Mix the flour, salt, and water to make a dough. Roll out small circles and fill them with the potato, spices, onion, and pea mixture. Fold into triangles and deep fry until golden brown. Serve with mango chutney. Churros. Origins in Spain. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, cinnamon sugar for coating, and chocolate sauce for dipping. Instructions: boil the water, sugar, salt, and oil together. Add the flour and mix until smooth. Pipe the swirls onto parchment paper and deep fry until golden brown. Roll in cinnamon sugar and serve with warm chocolate sauce. Kebabs. Origins: Middle East. Ingredients: 1 pound of ground meat, beef, lamb, or chicken, onion finely chopped, garlic minced, spices such as cumin, coriander, paprika, and salt, and skewers. Instructions. Mix the meat, onion, garlic, and spices. Shape into elongated sausage-shaped kebabs. Thread onto the skewers and grill or pan fry until charred and cooked through. Serve with pita bread and yogurt sauce. The magic of street food doesn't have to remain a distant memory from your travels. It can come alive right in your own kitchen. By recreating these vibrant, flavorful dishes, you not only indulge in culinary nostalgia, but also embark on a global gastronomic adventure without stepping out of your home. Whether it's the crispy delights of samosas, the sweet warmth of churros, or the savory satisfaction of kebabs, each recipe is a gateway to the cultures and experiences that make street food so enchanting. So gather your ingredients, unleash your creativity, and transform your kitchen into a street food paradise. Your culinary journey awaits, ready to be savored one delicious bite at a time. What's your favorite street food? Let me know in the comments. And that wraps up today's enriching journey with Listen Up English Listening Practice. It's been a pleasure guiding you through the nuances of English, and I hope you found our time together both educational and enjoyable. Remember, every episode is a step forward in your English mastery, so keep practicing and stay curious. Share with your friends and leave a comment. Be part of our growing family by connecting with fellow learners on our social platforms. Join me on my website to interact with other learners and let me know what other topics you would like to hear about. And if you're looking for a more personalized touch, head over to onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for bespoke lessons with me, Karen. Thank you for choosing to learn with me. Until our next session, keep your ears open and your mind active. Farewell and happy English learning.